Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy guide on how to upload digital product to Stand Store. So if you want to upload digital product, here's a quick and straightforward guide on how you can easily get it done within a minute. So let's dive into it. So talking about how to upload digital product, you have to log in into your Stand Store account. So go to your browser and input the URL, which is stand.store, and sign in. Then after that, you have to go to the product section. So on your dashboard, click product or click the option called add product. And after that, you have to choose product type. So select the digital products from the list of product options, then enter your product name, description, and price, and make this clear and attractive for buyer. The next is to upload your file. So click upload file and choose your digital product file like PDF, zip, or videos, and Stand will automatically host it for download after purchase. Then after that, you can also upload a cover image or thumbnail to make your product look professional and eye-catching. Then after that, click save and polish product, and your digital product will appear in your Stand Store and be ready for sale. And that's how you can easily upload digital product to Stand Store. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.